Good afternoon. Video message for Gareth. Gareth, hi. So thanks ever so much then for buying the beautiful Remington Bantam. So I'd love to hear how you get on, if you are going to set her up and put her back into service, or if it's just going into a collection. It'd be ever so interesting as well, because when they've been sat for a long time with like a heavy mineral oil inside them, I found on a few of my old Dan arms, they run for quite a while, and the needle settings just keep changing on them. So it'll be interesting to hear how she adjusts. So I shall start her one last time for you, well, hopefully. She needs a bit of choke. She might, just a little bit. Fire. Got to get used to starting pulling throttle. She's definitely, even after just running the last, I videoed it earlier today, and now videoing it now, she's definitely the popping is starting to iron out, and she's just a tiny bit less smoke on the exhaust. So I hope you love the saw. They really are such beautiful, beautiful old ladies. Hope we do it again soon. Bye for now.